Manufacturers are surprised when they knowing the telecommunication product cannot be sold in Malaysia. What is the reason? It is because they don't have Malaysian RF certification. Malaysia is the most attractive telecommunication market in Southeast Asia. The country continues to experience rapid growth in telecommunication, smart home devices, and IoT technologies. To ensure product safety and regulation compliance, Malaysia requires certain products to obtain RF certification before the product import, distribute, or sell in the country. The certification process is known as SIRIM certification. RF certification in Malaysia is involved two important organizations. The first is MCMC, or stand for Malaysian Communication and Multimedia Commission. MCMC is the regulatory authority that is responsible for telecommunication and multimedia regulation in Malaysia. The second is SIRIM, or Standard and Industrial Research Institute of Malaysia. SIRIM is the certification body that conducts conformity assessment and issues certification approval for telecommunication and wireless product. The purpose of this certification is to ensure that the product is comply with the Malaysian technical standard and to ensure that the product safely to use and cannot interfere with other devices. Many people assume that only mobile phone requires certification. In reality, the scope is much broader. Generally, there are three categories that need RF certification in Malaysia. The first is wireless, the second is wired, and the last is the free space optical product. The example of wireless product is mobile phone, tablet, Wi-Fi product, Bluetooth product, and many more. The example of wired product is include public switch telephone network or PSTN, integrated subscribed digital network or ISDN, key telephone, and many more. One important aspect of Malaysian certification is the requirement of local representative. To obtain SIRIM certification, the certificate holder must be company that registered in Malaysia. This means that the foreign manufacturers generally need a local representative or a local partner in Malaysia to hold the certificate. Because of these requirements, selecting the certificate partner is the critical step in this process. To obtain RF certification in Malaysia, applicant typically submit test report from an ISO or IEC 17025 accredited laboratory. This report usually follows CE or FCC standards for RF, EMC, and safety testing. Local testing in Malaysia generally is required only for mobile-based device, while some IPv6 product may also undergo local testing. Testing can be conducted through accredited international laboratory. For document evaluation, there are some documents that you need to submit. Product specification, product photos with brand name and model as labels, complete CE or FCC test reports, EMC and safety test report for mobile products and drones only, and the last is trademark statement. The certification process usually takes around 2 weeks for paperwork application. For local testing, it may take 4 to 6 weeks. SIRIM certificate is valid for 5 years and can be renewed if there are no changes to product specification. After obtaining certification, the product that sell in Malaysia must be labeled. All certificate devices in Malaysia must display an official MCMC label. The label includes the MCMC mark and the certificate holder's identification number. The label may be applied physically or through e-labeling. Navigating certification requirements can be challenging. Different products have different technical standards. The variation of document requirements, regulation also continue to evolve. This is where the Multi can help. With experience in telecommunication and wireless certification services, the Multi will assist manufacturer, importer, distributor, or brand owner throughout certification process. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.